The Triumph Thruxton 400 is the newest member of Triumph's modern classic lineup, bringing authentic café racer styling to a lighter, more affordable segment. Inspired by the legendary Thruxton models of the past, this bike combines old-school charm with modern engineering, offering a stylish, agile, and approachable ride for urban streets and weekend escapes. Design and styling. The design is pure retro racing heritage. Low clip-on handlebars, sculpted 13-liter fuel tank with knee cutouts, and a streamlined seat with a classic café racer hump. Bar-end mirrors and polished metal accents add sophistication, while blacked-out engine cases provide a sporty contrast. Every detail, from the round LED headlight to the chrome badging, reflects Triumph's commitment to craftsmanship. Engine and performance. Under the tank lies a 398 cubic centimeters, liquid-cooled, single-cylinder engine producing around 39.5 horsepower and 37.5 newton-meters of torque. This balance of power makes it quick off the line without being intimidating. The 6-speed gearbox offers smooth shifts, while the fuel injection system ensures consistent performance and reliability. With a top speed of roughly 145 km per hour, it's perfectly suited for both city rides and spirited open-road runs. Handling and comfort. Weighing just around 170 kilograms, dry, the Thruxton 400 is nimble and confidence-inspiring. The front features a 41mm telescopic fork, while the rear gets twin shock absorbers, tuned for a mix of comfort and stability. A slightly forward-leaning riding posture offers the sporty café racer feel, but without excessive strain on the wrists or back. The bike's lightweight chassis and well-balanced geometry make it easy to carve through traffic or lean into tight corners. Braking and safety. Stopping power comes from a 300mm front disc with a 2-piston caliper and a 230mm rear disc, both backed by dual-channel ABS for added safety. The braking system delivers predictable, strong performance whether riding in dry or wet conditions. Technology and features. Even with its retro appeal, the Thruxton 400 doesn't skip modern touches. Full LED lighting ensures visibility, while the minimalist digital analog instrument cluster provides essential information at a glance: speed, gear position, fuel level, and trip meters. The build quality, fit, and finish are at par with Triumph's larger capacity models. Its compact size and turning radius are perfect for city commuting, while the 13 just a motorcycle. It's a statement for riders who value design as much as performance.